We started out the day with the good breakfast. 6 minutes at high heat and 4 minutes on low heat on the same stove. यार ये ट्रक चलाने के ना बड़े पैसे मिलते हैं, बट मेरा मसला ये है कि मैं रेगुलर गाड़ी तो चला नहीं सकती, ट्रक क्या चलाऊंगी मैं? I mean I can if I put my mind to it, but you know मैं क्या ट्रक चलाऊंगी? Okay. Oops, sorry. This is really good.
All right, good.
You're really it's really interesting work.
Nice and warm in here.
Yeah.
Time to eat.
I'm gonna close this so that we can. This house is beautiful. It's actually more beautiful than my house. Seriously. I'm closing all the doors so that the heat can. And then tomorrow they're gonna come fix that. So. I'm gonna close most of the doors so that we can conserve some heat. So there are like 2 screws that go in the back.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's a mess over there. Holy cow. Wow.
Yeah, pretty much.
Sucks. People got jobs, but nobody wants to work.
Right.
We're getting there.
Probably like, thank goodness she left. So the first floor, well, the second floor bathroom was leaking into the first floor bathroom. Oh, it's so nice. I put the heat up and slowly it's going up. Okay. So yeah, this is where the leak was coming out of. So you can hear him. It's a nice house. Like this, actually the second floor is like much nicer. Oh, second floor is nicer than the first floor. You see the upper cabinets are not there, but yeah, you can put some if you want some. I want to check the door. Okay, the doors are nice and closed. I put the sign up that it's under surveillance so that people don't get.
Oh yeah, pouring. Look at it, it's leaking like a sieve.
Jesus. Oh my God. So that's where the leak, I guess, is coming from. So they were probably taking.
So here's another problem.
Yeah.
Anytime anybody took a bath and they let the water get up there, you had a leak. You seen it was pouring down.
So that's where it's going from?
That's another leak. Yep.
Oh boy.
Yep. Glad I checked it.
Yeah. Because nobody would have even thought about it.
No. A lot of people don't, you know, they don't. Nobody checked it. It's not your fault. Nobody ever checked it.
Mm-hmm.
They put that in new and they didn't check it.
So how do we fix that? We just get a new tub?
Well, we're hoping the gasket's good.
Wow.
Huh?
You figured it out in like 20
You got water
seconds.
pouring down there?
Yeah.
Brutal.
Yeah, I should go check if it's still there.
No, it should, yeah, you might see a little residual, but you should be good. Oh,
So that's the thing, right? That's the
seal.
yeah. That's what we bought new ones too.
Yep, yep, we did.
That's problems.
I can't believe they didn't check. You got any paper towels here? So-
Yeah, we do. We do. I'll bring it.
Hold on, I got one, girl. Oh, that's tape. What I need.
I got it. Mhm. Oh, at least the heat in here works. See, that stopped right away. We figured out the whole cause, the whole thing, like how.
Oh, so thank you.
No,
Sweet, thank you.
I always get them because
Thank you.
I know like there are messes.
Oh yeah, that's a sweet thing. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay.
Oh, you took the whole thing? Nice.
Yeah, because this is leaking. Yep. Yep, the whole damn thing's leaking. That and that tub. Oh man. We'll get it done. Geez, so it looked like they tried to rip this toilet right off the floor.
Huh?
They tried to rip this toilet right off the floor is what it looks like.
They tried to rip it off. the
Yeah,
floor?
I bent it so bad. They bent the flange and everything. That's what it looks like. See all the stress in that metal? Here and here, they just pulled it up.
So I think they probably did that purposely.
Probably. Yep, I wouldn't doubt it. Excuse me.
Sorry.
Oh, you're okay. I gotta go downstairs. I think that's where we left our steels.
You want me to go get it? I
No.
can go get it. Seriously, so that's what these people did. And I did not have them here. They came with the house. One of the tenants came with the house. So I think her boyfriend just like plotted it out and just was, doing it to get free living out of it. Working with the second floor people, they were like, okay.
Yeah, against you.
Yeah. Let's do this so that we can take her to court and then...
Sucks. That's why the toilet's moving like that, It's not supposed to move.
Oh God, this is... Oh, man.
That's why I don't like owning property.
Yeah.
It's terrible. You put your heart and soul.
I think next thing, maybe the first floor maybe we can rent out, but then the second floor we can just use it as like an Airbnb.
Yeah, oh my God, I know a guy that did that, man. He's making out good.
Yeah, just like put a couple chairs there and like maybe a couch.
And he has people that work in Albany, and it'll be for a few months they'll stay and then they'll leave. And he makes a ton of money.
Right, because it's good money there too.
Yeah.
The only thing is you have to like furnish the place.
Right.
And furniture is expensive.
You bet it is. Everything is, right? But
yeah.
Oh,
but I don't need a lot. I can just do it for like a couple people. Just put it like...
It looks like somebody, they tried to rip it off the floor. That's what it looks like. I don't know.
No, you're right. It seems like
I've seen a lot,
Or, I don't know. Maybe they were doing something they were not supposed to be doing on it. Or
I don't know. I mean,
People are strange.
Yeah.
Otherwise, and the people that were living here were bigger too.
Oh, were they?
Yeah. So,
Yeah, that's an issue too. I'm not busting bull here. I'm not selling you anything you don't need. You need a new pipe, I'll put a new pipe in. But I don't see it leaking. We checked it yesterday.
Yeah.
And then by the grace of God, we saw that leak and you can see the discoloration on the floor. See that discoloration?
Yeah.
See how it's dark?
Yeah.
Right here?
Uh-huh.
Like that's been leaking for a long time. And what happens a lot of times is people sit on the toilet and they lean against the tank. So every time he or she leaned against the tank, it probably made that back bolt leak and all the water went downstairs. And you can see it. It's leaked for a while. See the darkness?
Yeah.
Right here. See it, so?
Right.
I see it. I'm not bullshitting you. So it's dripping here and then running right down into the downstairs.
Oh.
Almost every time they used it, depending on if they leaned on it or not.
Yeah, why would people lean?
They do. A lot of people lean.
What?
I don't know.
It doesn't
Not
make
me.
sense. No, me either.
I don't know why they lean, but they lean. And if you got a leak like that, you got a problem.
Should I bring the other seat?
And it didn't leak until they leaned on it,
Right. Should I bring the other seat?
Yeah, that'd be great. Yeah, thanks, so.
Yeah.
Appreciate it.
think this one is the... Let's see if it flushes now. No leak. Flush one more time. Couple times. No leak at all. He's filling up the toilet with the tub water. You wanna flush it? Yeah, no leak. Okay.
Look, solid as a rock. Solid.
Yeah.
Solid tank, solid bolt, bolted to the floor. Come here, I want to show you. Over here, I put these caps on. See the caps to hide the bolts?
Yeah.
And I caulked all the way around the base like I was telling you to do, okay?
Yeah.
So once that white caulk dries down there,
Yeah.
it's going to be solid as a rock.
Wow.
Also, you have a slice here. See this?
Yeah.
That water can go down.
Right.
And over here, too. It's cracked.
Yeah.
So hopefully the caulk will help that, you know?
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
So you
Thank
got
you.
yourself a brand new toilet basically here. It's a good
Yeah.
girl.
Thank you so much.
No problem.
Oh, that's the control?
Yeah, that's the shut off, yeah.
Okay.
Fucking people.
What?
Oh, look at this shitty job. Come on. Oh.
This should be behind that?
Yeah. Yeah. See? It's wrapping around this damn water line. We'll fix it. Faucet.
It doesn't work then.
Oh. Oh, this is in good shape. Well, you're good.
Yeah, the whole house, when we got the house, it was so nice.
Yeah.
And
Then you get these people that ruin it, girl. That's why I don't rent them and I don't anymore. I had a bunch of houses and I'm done. I am done.
Yeah.
I'm not dealing with it.
it's a lot of work.
It's too much. I don't mind the work. It's the destruction that kills me.
Right.
We rented to these Burmese people, man. They were good people and stuff.
This one out.
You know, I don't know.
This is the backsplash.
Where it is.
Wait.
Oh, that's wonderful. Thank you. did a faucet like this the other day and it bit me in the ass. It's got a little plastic thing I didn't notice.
You want me to hold it?
Oh, yes. Right there would be perfect. It's right in the center where it needs to be.
So this one does not have a plastic, or does it have a plastic?
What? A spray?
No, it has the plastic underneath the faucet.
Oh, yeah. Yep. And wait a minute. Come on off. Ooh. Come on. Oh, it's slippery. Oh, it's so slippery. Oh, you little. I'll get you. Don't you worry about that. I'll have to get a pair of needle nose pliers to get it off. Oh, thank you so much for helping me. I appreciate it.
Yeah.
Otherwise, now I got to keep popping up to make sure it's straight. And
Yeah.
then you
No.
tighten it a little more, and it moves, and it's a pain in the ass.
Yeah, no, I got you.
Thank you.
Plus, I'm learning about, houses
Yeah.
myself.
Yeah. Oh, you held it so perfectly. Thank you. How does it look? Nice and straight up there?
Yes.
Good. That's what I want.
It looks nice and straight.
Thank you.
Is it good?
Yep.
You think it's
Thank
good?
you.
Okay.
There, that's what I'm talking about right there. I'm going to try to keep these lines behind here. I'm going to wire tie them together. I don't know how much it's going to help, but it's got to help somewhat. Okay, yeah, that helps. That helps. Okay.
Oh, you put zip tie there. Nice.
Yes. It's nothing fancy, but it's something to try to keep these controlled, It's,
Yeah.
because they're plastic and they just flop around like crazy. Cops.
It's all in now.
I don't know where some rag came from. That's a mouse trap or something. Bug trap.
Yeah, I had Thomas Pest Control in here.
Oh, good for you.
Yeah, they were really nice.
Oh, good for you.
They were
What
really-
did you have?
Mice?
Oh,
Oh, it's much better.
is it?
It's much better. Look at how full
Yeah.
this thing is.
Yeah.
Look at how full the drain is. Like
Yeah. Let's see. And I got everything strapped back down there. I strapped the 2 water lines too, so everything's out of the way, see, for this now.
perfect.
Okay.
Yeah, this is awesome. No, it's definitely much
definitely
better
better,
than
isn't
much
it?
better than before.
This makes
Because
a big
I
difference.
already see the volume.
Yeah.
The volume is like bigger.
Good,
The volume
good,
of the water is
good,
like bigger, thicker.
good.
Yeah. Okay,
Okay.
perfect. Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm just taking this stuff off. Yeah.
Okay.
Now what are we gonna do next?
We gotta see where that tub's leaking, I guess.
Okay. I mean, if you have the energy to.
I wonder what's going on.
You wanna have lunch? Me and you can go have lunch together or something too?
Oh, I'm all good.
Okay.
Oh, who's got that on there? Good.
Who?
Whoever put that together. trying to tighten it.
The gasket, right?
Yeah,
The tubs.
it looks like it's brand new. I mean, it looks like he did that.
They did something.
Yeah, I think he changed that. Maybe he just didn't tighten it enough.
Or maybe the
Yeah, that looks brand new back there.
or maybe the tenants like just I don't know did something to it. Who knows what they're doing? Thank goodness it's coming off easily. Otherwise, you know, they just ruined the walls. Like, I don't know why. Why can't we just be minimalistic and just not have anything here, you know? Why can't we just be zero? Let's just do zero stuff here. Oh, I like the ceiling. Okay. Yeah, I was trying to take all of this off. She had a lot. Start where you are. Use what you have. Do what you can. Nice. When nothing is sure, everything is possible. Okay. Nice. Oh my god, something fell here, but I can't figure it out. Me and my point of view videos.
I think he had it on backwards.
Oh, the gasket was on backwards?
Yep. See how it's tapered?
Yeah.
He had it upside down.
Oh god. That's where it was leaking. You want me to put it in from the front?
Can you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Should I just take
So,
it?
the narrow part goes on the top, the fat part's on the bottom, and I'll pull this thing back and see if you can slide it in. I appreciate
So
it.
this one goes in the bottom?
Yeah, just like, see the skinny part?
Yeah.
That goes on the top, and the fat part goes on the bottom.
Wow.
And yeah, that'll work, yeah. Oh, I can't believe you did that.
Pull it out a little bit?
Yeah.
That's good?
Yes, wonderful. Okay, I gotta get it around those little tabs on the bottom. So it has to go. Let me just turn it, okay?
Okay.
So it has to go.
You tell me
You see those little tabs?
where the screw goes in?
No. Oh, okay, that might be it. No. So the other side has to come out a little bit.
The other side?
I'll tell you what. Yeah, just let me have hold of it, okay?
Okay, yeah, let me know when to hold it.
Okay. Something else. Okay, let me see, girl.
Okay, you come in here.
Thank you so much.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
appreciate
yeah. No,
your help.
I gotta
You're
help
such a
you.
good person.
Yeah. Thank you so much. I have a lot of interest in this.
Okay, so I want to get that. I tell you what, I don't like what I'm seeing. This tub is moving. This tub is freaking moving. Watch this. Watch this. Put your light here. Watch this crack. Can you watch?
Yeah. What can we do for that? Nothing?
I don't know. So if you silicone that and somebody gets in it, it's going to break the seal.
Yeah.
You know?
Right.
I don't know. You'd have to put like weight in this thing somehow, some joint compound or paint or something to get it to pull down and then caulk it and let it dry and then take the paint out. I don't know what else to say.
Or just put a bunch of cement or mortar mix in there?
You might. But then when somebody steps in it, it's going to go down, see? Watch.
Oh.
Let me see when I get in it. Does it go down?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. See?
Oh.
That's going to be an issue.
Because that will not stop the leak.
Right. Water comes here and it hits here and it's going to go back there. I don't know if there's a lip on this tub. Normally on these, we can see he had this gasket on backwards. Let's hope this does it. He had it upside down. He had the fat part on the top and the thin part on the bottom.
Yeah, I think the guy who fixed this house to sell it. You want to check this out?
Oh, I've got to check it.
Yeah, fill it
Oh,
up.
yeah.
Good job, yeah.
Oh, yeah. No, I could be an asshole and walk away. You're all set.
No, you won't.
No, I
Thank you
won't.
so much.
I won't.
See, everything is like from home.
Yeah. I'd work from home if I could too.
Online, the whole DMV is all online, is from home.
Yeah.
Like you can just
Yeah.
go online, like you can, I can submit my registration
Yeah.
request online.
Isn't that something?
Everything online.
It's something. Yeah, that tub's dropping. Oh yeah. That's the key. Fill it up with water. Yeah. See how it's dropping? See the crack?
Yeah.
The crack's opening up.
I would suggest is that leave this tub full.
And fill it up with silicone.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I'll probably go and I can get like something grout to put it in,
Yeah.
and then just
See how much it dropped? You can see the gap now.
yeah. Oh, it is.
Yeah. Big gap. More than when I stepped in it, you know?
Yeah, leave it full. I'll fix this.
So you can see if somebody's in the shower, water's hitting the body, hitting there, running down. It's going right down.
Even over there, look at that.
Yep.
All the things.
Yep. Yeah, you're right. You're right. I didn't see that. Yep.
So what should
Yeah.
we do now? I hate these tiles. I don't think that's a good idea.
I don't like them either. Once they're there, they're there. You gotta rip them off. It's a real pain in the ass.
Yeah, I just leave it full because I think I'll just put like cement or something in it and then just
I hope it stays down there.
yeah.
Oh, that's what Will was telling me. They had the tub was off level. They were gonna jack it up. That's what Will told me.
Yeah, I think so. That was an issue too.
So they must have saw this.
Yeah. So
I'll give them credit for that.
You know the leveling thing that you can see. You probably have it.
Yes.
You put it here and it will tell you it's not level.
Right. Okay, let me get behind you because pretty soon it's got that. It's holding, whatever it is.
Yeah, it's full.
Okay, it might not be up over there yet.
Yeah, no, not yet.
You up there yet?
Yes.
Okay. You good?
Should I close it?
Yeah, you can close it. So, you know what? Let it run some more, okay?
Okay.
I want to make damn sure that we... Ah. No. Son of a bitch. I don't know what that is. I don't know. It's not me. It's a mystery. But I'll grab a hold of it. I don't know what it is.
Okay.
It's a freaking mystery, but I'm going to get it.
Should I run it more?
No, you're good, son.
Okay.
Good. Yeah, I don't know, girl. I'm just... Thank you, son. Thank you
Yeah.
so much. I try, I fuck up sometimes, I'll admit, but I do my best, Nobody's perfect.
I'm gonna let it go.
You run it till you want to run it.
Yeah, I'm gonna let it go until the screws, where the screws are.
See if you can get it up that high.
Yeah. And then after that, I think I'm gonna, well, I'll come maybe tomorrow or the other day or something. I'll try to put that there.
Yeah.
I have the water.
I don't know if you should use grout. I don't know.
Something very, very strong.
Something? What the hell? Grout? Do you use grout?
Yeah, I can use grout.
Yeah, you're good. Not a drip, not a drop.
No?
Not a spot.
You want me to? I'll go check downstairs too.
Okay, I'm coming down.
Okay. I really think that these people were damaging the house themselves, honestly, because see, there's no leak. No leak at all. Yeah. Yeah, no leak at all.
Girl, to get into court,
Yeah.
you get yourself a judgment, man.
Yeah,
It may
I'm
never
gonna do
mean
that.
a damn thing, but it might save you someday.
Right. I'm gonna do that tomorrow.
Yup. Court's over with. You got. That thing was a bear. Woo.
That thing came out, right?
Oh, it was hell. Yeah, it was hard. I had to cut them off. They wouldn't come out. Just brutal. It's been there a long time, And that's how you set a toilet.
What is it?
You got to put the weight on it, move it around.
Right.
And push it to wax down. Yeah, anything that leaks here, we can always get down in the cellar, but that second floor is the bitch.
Right.
That's where you don't want no leaks. Oh, those animals. That's been over there a long time sideways. They turned that bastard. Wow.
They turned it so
Yeah,
that
they turned it all right, didn't they?
Yeah, they turned it so that it will...
Turn it that way.
Yeah, to mess it up. It's not like they were using it
No.
and it just got messed up.
No, that was an accident, no.
Yeah, they did it purposely so that it would have more leak all over.
Yep.
Yeah, I have pictures from it and everything. I'm
Yep.
gonna take them to court. Broke the whole house.
Yep. I hope they care. I hope they care. If we didn't have them upstairs, I would have had to go and get them because they spread that flange out so much up there. Trying to pull the toilet off the floor.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. You don't want to over tighten them because you'll crack the toilet, you know, because it's
ceramic.
A ceramic floor. Yeah. You don't want to go in there, do you? Come on. Okay. Now, new supply line. I gotta get. What else do I got here? This is all junk. I gotta get that new supply in the toilet seat. Yeah, these seats were shot. It's good to get rid of them. We just gotta cap those 2 lines in the cellar.
But I'm just saying.
Yep. No, don't let them in there.
No.
Where's the breaker boxes? Where's the electrical in the cellar?
In the cellar.
Ah. See, if they blow a fuse or something, or a circuit, they're gonna have to get in there to reset it.
Well, they gotta call me.
That's right. That's right.
I don't live too far from here.
No, I don't want them in my cellar.
Right. Plus I have the security camera. I have cameras on four spots. And look at that. This is what they did. Yeah, I showed you guys this one before too. And they did this one too, upstairs and downstairs here. See, this one goes up here. There's just a small screw that I can fix it with, but still, you know, damage. I'm gonna get this house in tip-top shape.
You bet. Yep. Don't quit. Okay, so we're gonna shut the water off. You know.
Hold up.
If you ever have a problem, water's running.
Yeah.
Off.
Okay.
On. Okay?
Yep.
Just reach for that valve.
Okay. And then this is the electrical here.
Yep. All right, let me see here. All right, it ain't gonna be a lot. It won't be a lot.
Look at that. They have a copy of their ID in here.
Ooh.
That's stupid.
Oops, sorry.
That's okay. These people are crazy.
Where do you see this? Watch this. I'll show you this. This is I worked with this, and I worked with copper. We didn't have plastic. We didn't have any of that shit. So this is really mind blowing to me. So this is what I cut this. Where do you see this? It's gonna blow your mind. Don't do no soldering, no nothing. People don't even know how to solder today. Plumbers don't know how to solder, but I do. I can pour a lead joint. Okay, so I'm gonna I'm gonna go up here. Cut. Cut. Watch this.
And that's like a...
That's it.
That's it? It's done?
Done.
What do they call these?
Shark bite caps.
Okay. You put this thing on.
No, you don't use it. You don't want nobody using it. You don't want nobody turning it on.
Okay.
Somebody could come down, open that up, and flood this whole house.
Okay.
You got 2 of them, right? One for each machine.
Yes.
That's all you need.
Yeah, so
So here it is. This slides on the pipe.
Okay.
And it has teeth inside that lock.
Okay. Nice. So this one I should shut off, right?
No. Water's back on.
Okay.
No.
Yeah.
Now it's dead. They can do whatever they want, and they're not going to flood your house. There's no water to it, see?
So
And if it's
how
ever,
come-
if you ever want to hook it back up, 2 of the couplings, and just stick it back together.
Okay, but how come this thing had water before?
Now, it had to have a drain line at one time.
Yeah.
And then he said, well, I've got 2 hookups over here. Yeah, you don't need this. So rather than have this, and sometimes these valves go bad and they start leaking, you might not know it. You might fill the whole cellar,
Right.
flood the house. So
Right.
we got it capped off now. That's the only reason I did that for you.
So the water is coming from over there to here? Where's
No,
the
it comes from here.
source pipe? Where is the source pipe?
Here's the cold to
Oh,
here.
okay.
And then the hot comes from this water heater here. See? And they snaked it around.
Okay. Okay, so
Okay.
this thing has nothing now.
Nothing.
Okay, good.
Nothing.
Good. Perfect.
Nope.